Hello traders, we're back with one more setup. The pair is GBPAUD, so let's check the date and the time right here. If I refresh, currently the time is 10:05 a.m. Wednesday 17th of June 2026 in EST. Where's my chart? We are on the 4-hour time frame, okay, so we have left the resistance and this is a pullback. That's my entry, okay. So let me see. Yes, we were supposed to enter, so I have entered around 8965, okay. So we're gonna touch this black line and we're expecting 55 pips in this trade, okay. So this looks like a counter trend to me, so it should come until the EMA, reject the EMA and then go up, but time will tell. For now, we have entered short and it will touch the black line, 55 pips in this trade. And when that happens, when the price touches the black line, I'll come back and record the take profit video. Till then, see you again. Alright guys, we're back with our take profit video. So you can see the price has breached the black line which we drawn yesterday. Let's check the date and time quickly. So let's refresh. It is currently 4:40 a.m. Thursday 18th of June 2026. I think we took this trade yesterday on 17th of June. Go and check the time in the beginning of the video. So we entered at this rolling candle somewhere around 8965. Yes, we entered somewhere here. And I told you yesterday that we will touch the black line and then I'll come back, which I am doing now. So I am coming back with 55 pips profit. So let me show you the trade right here. So GBPAUD, we entered at 8965, you can see, and we were out at 8909. So the trades which I show you, I take them personally as well. It's not like I am only recording the videos. I take those trades myself too. So it's not like I'm recording something random. These are my personal trades which I take, okay? And if you go below the video where it says swing like a pro, when you visit that sales page or whatever page you call it, you will see, like right now, maybe there will be 20 videos, okay? But in the future, I am going to upload or paste hundreds of videos on that page, hundreds or maybe thousands in few years to come, okay? I think it's not the question about do you trust me or not, or does this guy know anything or not. I think the question is only about your pocket size now. So for those who can afford, you're still thinking to join, I mean, I can't help you, man. If you still have the funds and the money and you can do this and still you're not doing it, it's your problem. Somebody else is not responsible. But if you don't have the money, then chill. You don't have the money, that's fine. It's not for you. But you have the money and you still don't do it, then there's a problem with your thinking, I guess, okay? Anyway, so help yourself. I have told you millions of times already. There will be a link somewhere below this YouTube video in my Telegram, in your email. Somewhere you will find that link which says swing like a pro. Go and join that program. If you don't help yourself, nobody else is responsible for helping you. Help yourself first so that I can help you. Go and join the program. I'll see you inside.